Hello everyone and welcome back to the Ninja One YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to put OEM heated grips on this 22 ZX10R. So what I want to do is give you a quick walk around how I'm going to do it and the instructions that I'm going to be following and not following. So stand by. So let me give you a quick walk around of the parts that I'm going to take off. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is take off these dash panels here. Okay, so there's literally only 3 screws. There's one here, there's one here, and then there's a black screw right up in here. Okay, and it's the same on the other side. So we're taking those 2 off. So obviously we're going to take off the old grips and bar ends. We will be reusing the bar ends. It comes with longer bolts and a collar, so we're doing the same on the other side. And then over here we have all the parts. So we've got the left grip, we got the right grip, we've got the module, we've got the harness, the bracket that holds the module, and then the rest of this is just retainers, either a zip tie, a clamp, or a little plastic clamp. And then over here we have these 3 rivets. They're going to be holding this bracket on to the underside, and we're going to be clamping it to the underside right over there, the 3 holes there. So that's going to mount on the top side of this area right here. Let me show you that, and you'll see that once I get that dash panel off, I'll be able to reach that. Okay, but other than that, all the harness is going to kind of go just below that air intake right there. All right, this is all I'm using for the tools. So I got 1500 grit wet dry sandpaper, a rivet gun, a 1/2 inch ratchet with a 3/8 reducer and a 6mm hex. And then I have a little pick there that I'm going to use to take a dust cover off the accessory connector on the bike. And then there's a 3mm and a 4mm hex. And then I've got E6000 super bonding glue. I got some rubbing alcohol and paper towels and a microfiber. Wipe off all that goo. Oh yeah, and I forgot to add this Phillips head screwdriver. You'll need that. And a pair of scissors to cut the ends of the zip ties. And then I have a air nozzle for the air compressor to blow off that left hand grip. So with that said, we pretty much have everything we need, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So stand by. right, now that we have the grips on, I'm going to kind of put it in first gear and slow it down because I want to route the wiring according to the instructions. And I want to do this because I want to make sure that I don't put any tension on the wiring when I turn the handlebars. All right, as you can see, I don't have an ABS model, so I'm going to attach a zip tie to the harness down here and then follow the rest of the instructions on routing it. Yeah, before we move on, I just also want to say that I did test the connections, went ahead and pulled out that accessory connector and connected everything together, turned the key on, and it worked. I would highly recommend testing the grips before you go any further, because if you have a problem, you may want to address it before you put everything together. All right, so when I put the grip on, I didn't cover it, but you can see I got those two tick marks lined up. All right, and then of course on this side you can't get it wrong. It only goes in one way. You want to make sure it spins freely, and there's no issues there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it one step at a time by following the instructions. I got them on the screen here. They will be available for you to download on the Ninja One Google Drive. Other than that, we have the remaining parts that we're going to assemble according to the instructions, and we'll go ahead and get busy. So stand by. now that we have the heated grips on, we're going to take her out for a ride today and see how well the grips warm up. It's about 50-55 right now, so let's see how well it turns out. Let's do a cold start. So I'm going to turn it on, put it on setting 1. Okay, I can feel it. I can feel it warming up. Just wearing my Alpine Star leather gloves. So it's just a layer of leather between my hand and the grip. So hopefully this doesn't crap out on me. I got the glue in there and the handle's not moving at all. Alright, now I got it on setting. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Alright, it's on setting 3. So I guess. Okay, let's see how that works on setting 3. All right. Right, it is a success. The heated grips did what they were supposed to do. No obstruction. Wires in the right place. And battery level is low. This grip is good to go. It did not move at all. So we will see you really soon. But she is beautiful. See you in the next one.